This is tutorial number 28, and it covers the circle profiles within Catia V5. To start off, open up a Catia V5 part, and once you've done that, let's go into the Sketcher workbench. So let's click Sketch, and let's click any of the planes. Now the circle profiles, you can find them if you click Insert, Profile, Circle, and you have all the different circle profiles. Now you can also find it on the side toolbar here, and these are all your circle profiles. So for the most part, we've been using the circle, and there's many other circle profiles that you're also able to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through a few, and just so you figure out how to click and how to figure out what all the parameters are. So with the circle, all you're doing is one clicking and pulling it out. Now with this one here, the 3-point circle, you have to put 3 points together to create your circle. So 1, 2, and then your third click defines it. Now with this one, the tritangent circle, what you have to do is have 3 faces that you want it to be tangent to. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw 3 lines in, make kind of like a little triangle. And now when you go to make this circle, they're going to make it in such a way that it's going to try to touch all these points and stay within it. So now we've made our tritangent circle. So that's just kind of like the parameters that you need to get this circle to work. Now with these ones here, the arcs, these two different types of 3-point arcs. This one I'm not so much a fan of, the 3-point arc, but the 3-point arc with limits I like a lot. This one's a lot easier for me to use. So I'll kind of show you both and see what you think. So with this 3-point arc, it takes 3 points, 3 clicks to create your arc. So 1 point here, 1 point here, and then you're able to kind of move this around and wheel it around until you find your arc position. Now when you use the 3-point arc with the limits, it's 1 point, 1 point, and then it stays with those 2 points that you click to begin with. They're kind of pinned down, and then you're just able to move around this arc. So I like this tool a lot more because it's a lot easier for me to kind of define my arcs, but really it's up to you. Whatever works for you best is what you should use. So that's all the circle profiles. It's just a little bit of an intro, just how to use them and just what to look for when you're putting them together. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the circle profiles within Catia V5.